Заебись, петух нахуй!
Russian aircraft is shot down by the fighters of the Ukrainian 93rd Mechanized Brigade. The pilots ejected.
Падает, сука.
Да, уебал его!
Охуенно.
Вообще, молодцы, нахуй! Да. Хорошо. Есть!
Еще и вдвое, сука, выжило, блядь.
Ах вы петухи, сука!
На.
Парашют!
Ах, хуёбки, сука. Там двое, блядь, выжило.
The U.S. supplied cluster munition is working. Russian positions is covered with cluster munitions from a Ukrainian perspective.
Пряме влучання. Пряме влучання, хлопці, красавці, блядь. Ох, єбать ви їм насипали, красавці.
The Marines from the occupier's army were specially greeted for the Navy Day of the Russian Federation. Ukrainian hackers previously inserted mass mailing messages, spam, into Russian systems. Thus, Russian Marines, including commanders of the Russian Navy, received messages on messengers like Viber, Telegram, and WhatsApp. The Marines warmly thanked for the greetings, and only then opened the mentioned video. The greeting contained a video of attacks on Russian military ships, including the cruiser Moscow. The messages contained a Trojan program that removes information from phones and redirects it to Ukrainian servers. At present, the flow of information, including confidential, continues. At the same time, the servers of 3 Russian government websites were hacked, including the website of the Eurasian Economic Union. The aforementioned video was also posted on them, and access to closed information was obtained by GUR, Military Intelligence of Ukrainian Ministry of Defense. Happy Russian Navy Day. It's a hot summer day in Ukraine, but somebody has to fire RPGs at Russian positions. Tough work, but it must be done. Polish border guards patrolling the Polish border wall with Belarus, keeping an eye on a group of migrants trying to cross illegally. The migrants receive visas and fly to Moscow, from where they travel to Belarus. Lukashenko and Putin are waging hybrid warfare against the EU. Attention, Baltic states. Russian singer and warmonger Oleg Gazmanov discusses that all of the Baltics will be with Russia again. He believes these countries need to be punished.
Обязательно победим. Я думаю, что выхода не будет, как или опять вся Прибалтика будет с Россией, или 100% мы вот этот коридор, который они перекрыли, доступ к нашему региону. Мы им отдали Клайпеду, да? У них не было выхода вот Балтийское море. Это вот отдали половину Курской косы. Мы вот это вот им все отдали. Вот как они себя ведут после этого? Как можно их не наказать? Ну, надо. Надо поставить точки над «и» тогда уже. Раз вот так, то по-другому должно быть.
Our guys give their lives so that people of the African continent and the whole planet can be free. Zakharova. Is that their new and updated goal of the special military operation?
Что мы сражаемся. Вы разве не видите, что наши ребята отдают свои жизни? Не просто выступают, не просто говорят, а жизнями своими отстаивают право не только африканского континента, а всех людей на нашей планете быть свободными.
And we can't miss this opportunity to get back to this footage. Oldie but goldie. How can anyone take this person seriously after that? Ukrainian artillery recruits have trained on the formidable S-9155mm self-propelled gun. The program is part of the UK's enduring commitment to support Ukraine in its fight against Russia. The Russian army captured its first CV-90, delivered by Sweden to Ukraine in May 2023. The capture was made west of Kreminna, according to Russian state news. The CV-90 was not lost during the counteroffensive, for which it was intended to be used, but after being split from the rest of the brigade and used, allegedly together with another CV-90, for isolated defensive purpose in the area of Chervonopopivka. It moved to close to the front, came into a Russian ambush, and was hit by an RPG from far too close. It was then towed to Russian-controlled territory. And for the end. In the capital of Niger, Niamey, a crowd of protesters rejoice after the expulsion of French structures. People happily wave Russian flags. Now France can expel all Nigerians and send them to Moscow, which they love so much.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.